In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default Google account on the Chrome browser, as well as how to update your default Gmail account settings to ensure everything syncs seamlessly across your devices. Let's dive in to make sure all your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history are aligning with the correct accounts. First off, if you're someone who regularly uses Chrome's sync feature to keep your bookmarks, passwords, and history in check, you'll want to make sure this is updated as well. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll notice the three-dot menu icon. Click on it to open up a drop-down list of options. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can make adjustments to your Chrome browsing account. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section titled You and Google. Under this section, you'll need to find an option that says Sync and Google Account. Click on it. If you have Sync already enabled, you might see a toggle or a button that says Turn Off. It's crucial to turn the sync off at this point. Confirm any prompts that come up, which are essentially asking if you're sure about making these changes. Don't worry, you're on the right track. Once you've turned it off, go ahead and look for the option to turn on sync again. When you click this, a prompt will appear for you to log in. Here's your chance to sign in with the account that you want Chrome to use for syncing. Key in your credentials for the Google account that you prefer as your default and hit enter. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully set your default Google account in Chrome. This means any bookmarks, passwords, and history will be synced with the correct account, preventing unnecessary confusion later on. Remember, the adjustments you've made ensure that your browser aligns with these settings. So next time you start up Chrome, everything should already be in place. Give yourselves a pat on the back for tackling that one. This adjustment is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different purposes. Having the right default account saves time and keeps your transition smooth whenever you jump into various online tasks. That's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to adjust your account settings in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech